Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the 5 peso coins of the Philippines. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Okay, let's continue. I have here two different kinds of 5 peso coins, year 2017. This one is the NGC. And also I have here the uh, 5 peso coin. This is the old 5 peso coin. Later I will show you this coin. So let's continue. The 2017 Philippine 5 peso coin is part of the new generation currency NGC series featuring Andres Bonifacio on the obverse and the Tayabak flower on the reverse. Released in the late 2017, this nickel-plated steel coin is round, weighs 7.4 grams, and is considered harder to find by some collectors. Okay, now let's talk about the coin details. Design features Andres Bonifacio verse and Tayabak reverse. Shape materials round nickel-plated steel 25mm diameter. Now let's talk about the value. While some collectors considered it a sought-after, harder to find coin from the initial NGC release, its current face value remains the same. Okay guys, the value of this coin, it depends on the collectors because the collector will tell you the exact amount or value of this coin. And now let's talk about the distinction. It was often criticized for being easily confused with the 1 peso coin, leading to the later release of the nonagonal 9-sided version. It is important to note that this coin is distinct from the older, smaller or different sign peso coin. Okay guys, I have here two different kinds of 5 peso coin. This coin is year 2017. I will show you this is year 2017. Right here, you will see this 2017. And in front, this is the obverse of this coin. In front of this coin, you will see the portrait of Andres Bonifacio. And on the upper side, you will see the Republika ng Pilipinas. And on the reverse, I will show you here, this is the reverse. And this is the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. And this is the Tayabak plant. Okay, now I'll show you the other coin. This is the old coin of 5 peso. And on the upper side here, you will see the Republika ng Pilipinas. And this is the portrait of Emilio Aguinaldo. And over here, there is a 5 peso. And on the lower side, you will see here the year 2017. And I will show you the reverse of this coin. This is the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. On the lower side, there is a 1993, and on this part, there is a Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Now, let's talk about these two coins. These two coins is considered as hard to find or semi-hard to find. I'm sure that there are collectors out there looking for a coin like this. Okay, I have two different kinds of coins here. The NGC coin I have here more or less 5 or 7 coins like this one. Like this one. This is the NGC. I have here 5 or 7 coins here. This one, this old coin, I have only 1 coins like this one. The old coins. But anyway, I will not mention the exact amount or value of this coin because the collector will tell you the exact amount or value of this coin. Anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you.